Welcome to the Instagram lecture that will unveil a special tool that, yeah, you guessed it, will make you optimize your activity and make you save a lot of time and efforts and expand your audience. By now, you should know how much I love optimizing everything. But first, let me share with you other useful tips on how to increase your popularity on Instagram and your engagement level. We said that Instagram allows you to apply color filters to your pictures. Remember, just because you can do that, it doesn't mean that you have to do that. Truth is, I learned that the most successful accounts only post higher quality pictures and never apply filters. You can adjust colors, saturation, contrast, and so on, but do it manually and don't use pre-made filters. So try to forget about filters and let me know how it goes. Another tip is use emoticons. They grab the attention of the readers, make your posts fun and engaging, add one or two emojis. If for any reason you are not able to post them directly, you can copy and paste them from a website called emojipedia.org. It's really useful. If you're wondering about the best times to post on Instagram, there is not just one right answer. The good news is that there is one completely free tool that generates a report for your account and can tell you what is the right time to post for you. You can generate your report at simplymeasure.com and just click Free Instagram User Analysis under Free Tools and follow the steps. The report will be emailed to you and you'll get many amazing and very useful stats, including this amazing graph. You can even export your data as an Excel file, so definitely worth checking out. The last tip is interact. Don't just expect people to talk to you. Be the first one to speak up and comment on someone else's pictures. Now, I know this could be a daunting task. It really is, and that's exactly where our magical optimizing tool comes in. I'm talking about Instagram. What it basically does is interacting with potential customers on your behalf. You give it your instructions and it does the work for you, simple as that. So go to instagram.com and start your 3-day trial adding your Instagram account. After that, you can visit your administration panel. You can basically tell Instagram to like, comment, follow and unfollow other people on your behalf. I personally suggest you to avoid posting automatic comments as they might look as spammy and someone might report your account. But let's take a quick look at your interface on Instagram. If you wanted to interact with people on the basis of the hashtags they post, which I would recommend, set tags as a media source. Then skip the comment section as we said it's not good to use it and go to the tags section. Here's where you need to choose the hashtags that will determine the people who your account will interact with. You can take a look at all the other options, but generally everything is very straightforward. Then select like and follows at the top of the page. Select the slow or medium as activity speed, and then you're ready to go. Instagram is not the only automation service that is available online, but I think it is by far the best one. It is not free, but it costs less than $10 per month, and by month I mean 30 days. But only if you let Instagram run non-stop. You can decide to let it run for 12 hours a day, and you will spend less than $10 for 2 months. And you will see the results, believe me. Please note that while TweetDeck is officially promoted by Twitter, Instagram does not have anything to do with Instagram. Instagram does not permit the use of automation services. This is why I suggest you to use Instagram in slow mode so that it performs a realistic activity on your behalf. Too much activity could result in Instagram suspending your account, and if you use Instagram, you do so at your own risk. I did it and it worked incredibly well for me, so I couldn't help but talking about it with you.